On February 13th, 2013, Elisa Lam enters an elevator at the Cecil Hotel.
In the middle of the bustling city of Los Angeles stands a hotel steeped in dark history, a place where death, mystery, and terror coexist. Today, we will find out the mysterious disappearance of a girl and some dark secrets about the hotel that will make you wonder, is it just an accident, or is there something more behind it? The Cecil Hotel was not just a hotel, it was a terrible crime center. Over the years, numerous suicides, murder, and mysterious deaths occurred here. This hotel was home to a notorious serial killer, Richard Ramirez, known as the Night Stalker. He would return to this hotel without hesitation after killing his victims. Imagine a hotel where murderers and ordinary people lived under the same roof. But within a few days, he suddenly disappeared. Then a video came to light, CCTV footage of an elevator. This video shows Elisa acting strangely, pressing the elevator button repeatedly, looking out the door, and as if talking to someone. But there was no one else. 19 days after the disappearance, hotel guests began to complain. The water tasted strange. The smell was also unusual. Then the hotel staff went to the roof and checked the water tank, and there, what they found was beyond imagination. Elisa Lam's frozen body was floating inside that water tank. This is an accident. There was no evidence of violence, but the questions remain. How did Elisa open the lid of that heavy tank? And after getting inside, how did she close it again? In that CCTV footage, why wasn't a third person seen? Some people think that it was a result of mental problems. Others believe that there is some evil force in this hotel. Elisa Lam's death, an accident, or another dark chapter for the Cecil Hotel? What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments. To hear more such mysterious stories, don't forget to subscribe.